Alright, hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a little watch unboxing here. Just received this in the mail. I got it on eBay for a pretty good price. It is the... I'll leave that open because there might be some more in there. It is the Seiko SNJ027. Yep, I was right. Men's Arnie reissue. So this is the Seiko Ani-Digi dive watch. Reissue from the one that was around in the late 80s. Till about 1990 from what I understand. That became very famous because Arnold Schwarzenegger wore it in a handful of his movies at the time. This is actually my first Seiko watch, so I'm very excited. Let's do it. You see right there? Power saving mode. So it just turned itself on. Ooh, very nice. Okay, yeah. Actually, the bezel feels quite nice. I saw quite a few videos on it, and the sound was kind of strange to me. But, actually, first of all, I'm very glad that it lines up perfectly. That's fantastic. That is really good. Yeah. So now this is the PADI version, which is the, what is it, Professional Divers... the Professional Association of Dive Instruction, is that what it is? PADI? Official partner of PADI. So this is a full ISO, what is it? ISO 6425. I'm doing this off the top. ISO 6425 certified dive watch from Seiko Prospex. It is a made in China. Seiko. Caliber H851. MSRP $525. I got this PADI version on eBay through a seller in the US for like $290. It has hardlex crystal. The PADI version I really wanted because it has dual loom, two different colors of loom, which I thought was quite nice. It has all screw down pushers, screw down crown. Like I said, 200 meters water resistant. It comes with this nice, from what I understand, it's a silicone band, which feels very premium. The hands are lining up pretty nicely. That is to say, the second hand is lining up quite nicely. And the bezel lines up really nicely. So I am very pleased with this so far. Stainless steel construction with a plastic of some sort, composite shroud. Very cool keeper on it. So that's a quick little unboxing there. See the strap detail. Seiko stainless steel. Some people said this keeper, some people loved it, some people hated it. Some people said it is sharp. It is a bit sharp. I actually like it though, the way it looks. I think it looks fantastic. It really lends itself to the retro styling. So we've got our crowns here, which are actually screw in. Let's see, how do you do it? I believe you do it, yes, counterclockwise. So it's the same direction if you were to unscrew the bezel. If you were to unscrew the actual main crown, you turn them in the same direction. Some people were complaining about that, that's weird, but I actually find that to be nice, because this you turn back to unscrew, these you turn back to unscrew, and then you can manipulate the movement. Second time zone, stopwatch, start, stop, reset. Okay, and from what I understand, if you hold this in for a long time, you get your battery indicator. Do you? Let's see. Well, there's a way to do it. I'll figure it out. There's an alarm you can set. And that's the time. Obviously, you just saw me pull it out of the box. Date. I haven't done anything with it yet, obviously. I will say that the The pushers actually are very resistant, feel quite premium. I like the screwing action of them. Pretty nice. So I'm going to take a closer look at this, and I also do have a review on the way. I'm actually going to be doing a review on my all-steel G-Shock. What is it? GMW B5000D1, I believe. Fantastic watch. I've had it for about 3.5 months. I actually did write some notes on that, so I will be doing a review on that soon. And so that was my quick unboxing. I think I'm going to be very pleased with this watch. And the warranty and whatnot. So, man, especially for the price, fantastic deal. Fantastic deal. MSRP obviously is a bit steep. I wasn't willing to pay that, but I found a good price. This version was going for a little cheaper. The actual black version, all black version, was going for about $350 or so, which is still nice considering the MSRP. But I think that technically a little more of a desirable version because it is the direct new incarnation. Let me see if I can get a little Loom shot here. No promises. Actually, I do have a little. Turn this off. Let's see if I can get a little Loom shot. Like I said, this is all. Okay, I'm going to charge it up with this little UV light. So at least you can get an idea of the Loom. I have not seen this Loom yet. We're really experiencing this together. So, the dual Loom. I really like the dual Loom because of the way that it ties in the minute hand to the timing pip. I really like that. It stands out. Where the rest are blue, those two are green, which makes sense if you're going to be timing something. You can look and see, okay, green. And then let's get a quick hit on the light. Great. All right, well, that's my quick unboxing, guys, so hope you liked it. Seems like a great watch so far. I think I'll be really happy with it. Peace out.